Hey everyone, so if Zety is not working, like the website won't load, the builder is stuck, or it just keeps freezing. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, Zety may not load properly or might freeze while editing. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes the builder just fails to load correctly, and a simple refresh fixes it instantly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, corrupted data can stop Zety from working properly. If it still doesn't work, try opening Zety in a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Some features may not work well on certain browsers. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. These can sometimes block scripts and break the resume builder. Make sure you're logged in properly. If your session expires, Zety may stop working or not save your progress. If nothing works, it could be a temporary server issue. Just wait a bit and try again later. Yeah, sometimes the problem is on their side. And that's it. One of these fixes should get Zety working again so you can continue building your resume without issues.